Hello Scorpios, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the first 15 days of September. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies, energies of the person or the situation you are dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And if the reading does not resonate with you, please check your moon sign and the name sign. And for the personal reading, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, so let's see what's there for Scorpios for the first 15 days. You have the King of Wands, the Ace of Cups, the Five of Wands, the Page of Cups, the Three of Cups, the Ace of Cups, Ace of Swords, sorry, oh shit, Ten of Swords, the Magician anyway, okay, and the Moon. Okay, so let's see what are the messages from this deck for Scorpios. Okay, the Hierophant, guidance from the universe for Scorpios. Okay, so Scorpios, to start with, you are looking forward to a new beginning, and this new beginning is very important for you, and you are very passionate and emotional about it. So you're looking forward to it. You have set your goal. It's sort of your goal, and you just want it. It's something like that you've set your eyes on. Okay, but there is some sort of a confusion or a conflict going on behind this sort of an achievement, something which gives you the sense of achievement. It's something like that. It is a new beginning which gives you a sense of achievement, but there is a conflict in this regard. This may be a person also. Okay, whatever this new beginning is, but there is definitely a new beginning. But in spite of whatever the conflict is, I think you will be able to make it. You will be able to make it. You have your eyes on this goal, and it's a goal or a person, whatever it is, but your eyes are set on it. Definitely you're looking forward for this achievement. Basically, that's what I'm getting. It's a sort of it's giving you a feeling of achievement, whatever this is for you. And you are, so over here it is just a goal or an achievement, which it's just you want a new beginning with it, but you have not made a move over here. There are certain things which needs to be solved. Perhaps there is some sort of a conflict, argument, or maybe you need to convince other people for it, whatever it is. But there is something which is going on in the execution of this. Okay, but you are able to make a move. You will be making a move, either it is a communication or a gesture, whatever it is. You are making a move in that direction, or that first step towards it, and you have a reason to celebrate also. So you are pretty happy over here. Okay, and here with the Ace of Swords, again I see there is a new beginning. There are two aces. Can be that there are two beginnings. Maybe there are two beginnings. Now this new beginning can be in the same thing, to follow up sort of, or maybe something different. Okay, it can be that, okay, since you have achieved this, now this is a next move forward. Perhaps it can be that also. So if it is one thing which you are pursuing, okay, then maybe after achieving one step, you set a goal for a next step. It can be that, but that is, I think, not, at least it is having a this transit. This is not being successful. The second step which you are taking to move ahead, or it may be a step up, whatever it is, but this is something which is not working. Okay, but you are immediately getting back up. You are not able, you are not dissuaded by the defeat or the setback. There is a certain setback on this second beginning. It's related to the same thing, or what, even if it is different, whatever it is, there is a certain setback over here in this second thing. But the thing here is that you are still feeling confident, and you know that you have the resources, that you can accomplish it. Okay, so the path ahead is unknown. You really don't know how to move ahead in this second scenario. Whatever this second scenario is, it can be the step 2, or step forward in this relationship or an achievement, whatever it was you want to take it further. It can be that, or it can be a new beginning, but something different. But whatever it is, this has a setback, but immediately you get back up, because you know that you have the confidence, you have the resources to make it happen, and you are ready for the, it's sort of, you get back again after falling down. Okay, no, I will do it, whatever it may be, I will do it, I have the confidence, I'll try once more. Yeah, so you have that zeal to try it once more. Okay, maybe in a different way. And here is the moon card, so there is definitely something which is unknown, which is coming. So you have that confidence, you will pursue it, you will move ahead, even if the path is still not very clear to you, but still you will move ahead for the completion of, or the achievement of this second step also, or a second thing also, whatever it is. And here with the 5 of diamond, this is the Hierophant. So it is, if it is a relationship, then maybe you are, this is the next step for marriage or a commitment at least. Okay, but I think this is what is on your mind, this is what is on your mind, and this is what you are looking forward to. Maybe that is why maybe it came as a no at a first instance, or not as much as you thought, and that is why there is a setback. And now you still are confident that, okay, I'll see a different route, or I'll see how it is supposed to be done, and but you are confident to make it happen. Number 15 or number 6 may be of some significance for you. Choose freedom. Sometimes you may feel as though your way is blocked, but often it's just an illusion. You could free yourself from the obstacles that you are so focused on by choosing a different path. Okay, that's what I said. You have the confidence, so you just, the path is unknown, but maybe you will try a different approach or whatever, but you know that you have to go there, you have to reach there. Okay, so turn your thoughts away from negativity and instead envision endless and other possibilities you might act upon. So that is what you are actually doing, and that is coming as a guidance also. So I think you are choosing the right path, you are using the right approach, that even if there is a setback, you know that you want it, you are confident that this is the right thing for you, whatever this is for you, and you have the confidence. So what, even if you choose a different path, you really don't know which way to go now, that is still not clear, but you know that you have to go there. It may take some time for you to visualize the next path or whatever it is, or to understand which path to follow, but you have this clarity is there in your mind that you want it. Okay, so Scorpios, it's a pretty good reading, it's good, it's really good. And so hope it helps. That's all I have for you, and please subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Thank you.